Find L inverse S divided by S square plus 4 into S square plus 9. All of you listen carefully. Here we have to use the convolution theorem. Okay. So L inverse, we have to split this term. Here to split the term into two. L inverse S divided by S square plus 4. 4 can be written as 2 square. 2 square into 1 divided by S square plus 9 can be written as 3 square. Okay, we have to split. Next, listen carefully. This is a f of s. This is a g of x. What's our theorem says? If two functions given, then we can split L inverse S divided by S square plus 2 square star. Star is an operator, not a multiplication. Okay. L inverse 1 by S square plus 2 square by convolution theorem. Convolution theorem. So this theorem says that still listen, by convolution theorem we have to split. This star is an operator. 3 square. Okay, this is a 3 square. This is a 9. So 9 can be written as 3 square. 9 can be written as 3 square. Okay, so 3 square. We can split like this. This is an operator. Next, we have the formula. What is L inverse S by S square plus A square? What is the formula for L inverse S by S square plus A square? Cos AT. So instead of L inverse S by S square plus 2 square, we can write here what is a 2. So cos AT star. Next, another one formula is there. L inverse, actually here we have to write 3. Here we have to write 3 because we have the formula A by S square plus A square equal to sin AT. But this A is missing here. A is missing here. So bring this A in denominator. So here what is A? A is, sorry, instead of 3 here is 1 is there. So bring these 3 denominator. So L inverse 1 by S square plus A square can be written as 1 by A sin AT. 1 by A sin AT. Here what is A? A is 3. So use that. Actually this is a formula. Okay. But here 3 is missing. So just do the modification like this. Bring this A denominator, cross multiplication. Yes, A is a constant. Yes, A is a constant. S is a variable. So we can take constant outside from the L inverse. Then cross multiplication. So 1 by A sin AT. So instead of this, what is A value? 3. So use the formula 1 by 3 sin 3t. 1 by A, 1 by 3 sin 3t. That is the formula. These are all the formulas. So this is cos 80, this is a sin 80. Instead of A, we have to write 2. Because A equal to 2. Okay, very good. A equal to 2. Okay. Cos 2t. Here, sin 2t. Next. This is a f of t. This is a g of t. F of s. This is a f of s. This is a f of s. This is a capital G of s. After taking inverse, this time will become f of t, this time became g of t. Next, convolution of two functions. This is a convolution theorem. Next, convolution of two functions. What is the convolution of two functions? Integral 0 to t. In first function, we have to replace t by u. So cos 2u. This star will be a multiplication. 1 by 3 is a constant, take it outside. In second function, Sin 3 t minus u. U minus t or t minus u? T minus u into du. So by convolution of two functions, by convolution of two functions. First one convolution theorem, second one convolution of two function. This formula we have to use. Okay, so replace in first function t equal to u, in second function replace, instead of t we have to replace t minus u. This star is an operator. This operator will begin the multiplication. 1 by 3 is a constant term, so bring that outside of the integration. Okay, next listen, directly we can integrate. Okay, one fellow feel more sleep. Okay, you keep on sleep. Let me come and search you. 1 by 3, listen, integral 0 to t, this is in the form of cos A sin B formula. Cos A sin B formula. What is the cos A sin B formula? Trigonometry formula. Cos A sin B. What is the formula? Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Okay. Initially I have given some formulas, trigonometry formulas. Just to verify that. Plus sin A minus B. Just to verify that formula. Still, make still. All of you verify the formula. Here they have given cos A sin B format. So the formula of cos A sin B equal to 1 by 2 sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. If you don't know the formula, at least learn now. Okay. Here what is a A? Here what is a A? What is A? 2u. What is B? 3 into t minus u. So 3t minus 3u. 3t minus 3u. So use the formula 1 by 2 into sin A plus B, 2u plus B, 3t minus 3u, 3t minus 3u. Okay, next plus sin A minus B, sin, here what is the A? 2u minus B, multiple minus 3t, this minus will become plus. So minus 3t plus 3u into du. Directly we can't integrate. Use the trigonometry formula and split the terms. Next, these are all the notes or formulas. Don't write in major. Okay, many know, they doesn't know anything. Simply write whatever I write in board. If I write something else, you are idiot. They will write that also. Okay, that people are sitting here. Okay, no problem. Just listen. Equal to, listen, 1 by 2 is a constant, take it outside. Already 1 by 3 is there, so 1 by 6 integral 0 to t. Listen, 2u minus 3u minus u, 3t minus u, sorry, sin 3t minus u. Next, plus, listen, 2u plus 3u. What is 2u plus 3u? 5u. So 5u minus 3t, sin 5u minus 3t into dt. Listen, next bring the integration inside the bracket. 1 by 6 into integral 0 to t sin 3t minus u into dt plus integral 0 to t sin 5u minus 3t into dt. Listen, we have the formula integral sin nx dx equal to minus cos nx divided by n. Okay, listen. We have to indirect this term. Here, which one is a variable? Which one is a variable? T is a variable. Here, T is a variable. So, here use the formula, integration formula. First, we have to write sin 3t minus u divided by, listen carefully, we have to write coefficient of the variable only. Here, T is a variable. Here, which one is a variable? T is a variable. What is the coefficient of T? 3. So, we have to write 3, not 3t minus u, not 3t minus u. Next, limit 0 to t plus, next, integral. What is the integral? Sorry, here integral sign will be a minus cos. Integral sign will be a minus cos. So, minus cos, here also, minus cos 5u minus 3t divided by, listen, here what is the variable? T is a variable. What is the coefficient? Minus 3. So, minus 3 we have to write in denominator. Listen, integral sin nx dx equal to minus cos nx divided by, what is the coefficient of x? N. Okay, because here x is a variable. But here which one is a variable? T is a variable. So, in denominator we have to write coefficient of the variable only. Don't consider u. Don't consider u. Okay. Actually, differentiation of this term. What is the differentiation of t? 3. What is the differentiation of u? 0. Because t is a variable. Okay. Then we have to write 3. So, keep that in our mind. Coefficient of t. That's more than enough. Next. 0 to t. 0 to t. Next, upper limit and lower limit. Where we have to apply the upper limit and wait. In integration formula, it is a u. Nobody open your mouth. Simply be quiet. It is not t. It is u. It is u. It is u. So here we have to write coefficient of u. So minus 1. Coefficient of u minus 1. Here we have to write coefficient of u 5. And u coefficient of variable. Here the variable is not t, u, but u. Okay. Next, equal to 1 by 6 into upper limit minus lower limit. In variable, for variable only we have to write the limit. Okay, not t. Instead of u, we have to put upper limit t minus lower limit 0. So first, minus into minus plus cos 3t minus t is upper limit minus lower limit. Instead of u, we have to put 0. Cos 3t minus 0. Cos 3t minus 0. Next, bring this minus outside, so it will become minus. Put the bracket. Cos 5t minus 3t divided by, so take it 1 by 5 outside. 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Yes, it is a constant. Minus lower limit. Listen carefully. We have taken minus also outside. And 1 by 5 outside. Minus cos. Instead of u, we have to put 0. So this time will become 0. Cos minus 3t. Cos minus 3t. Okay. Next. 1 by 6 into 3t minus t. What is 3t minus t? 2t. Cos 2t. Cos 2t. Next. Minus cos 3t. Minus cos 3t. Cos 3t. Minus 1 by 5 into cos 5t minus 3t. 2t. Cos 2t. Next. What about cos minus theta? Cos theta. This is also trigonometry formula. If you don't know, just learn this one. But what about sin minus theta? Minus sin theta. Minus sin theta. Not this one. Okay. Not this one. So, cos 2t minus What about cos minus 3t? Cos 3t. That is the formula. Cos minus theta can be written as cos theta, but minus sin, so cos sin minus theta can be written as minus sin theta. Okay, so this is a cos theta. So minus cos 3t minus cos 3t equal to 1 by 6 into cos 2t minus cos 3t multiple minus 1 by 5 inside the bracket minus 1 by 5 cos 2t plus 1 by 5 cos 3t the bracket. Listen, cos 2t minus 1 by 5 cos 2t. What is the value? 1 by 6 into, that means 1 minus 1 by 5. What is the value? 4 by 5. What is the value? 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 cos 2t. Next 1 by 5 minus 1. What is the value? Minus 4 by 5. So minus 4 by 5 cos 3t. Cos 3t. Okay. This is a minus here. Minus. So what about the common term? 1 by 5. Take it outside. Already 1 by 6 is there. So 1 by 30. 4 cos 2t minus. So 4 also we can take commonly outside. 4 by 30 cos 2t minus cos 3t. Cos 2t by. So we can cancel. So what we will get? 2 by 15. So the final answer is take this as L inverse s squared by s square plus 4 s square plus 9 equal to 2 by 13. 2 by 15. Okay, right up to this. Just right up to this. Okay, just the final answer is 2 by 15 cos 2t minus cos 3t. Okay, simplify that. This is the final answer.